Here's my question. How many people buy a new center hub, go to put it on, only to find out that, well, it comes pretty much off very easy. I just lost my center hub not that long ago, so I had to buy another one. And I mean, it's a brand new rotor. The old one even got loose. So now I have to get this guy to lock somehow. Alright, so here we go. See, the problem I'm having is it's loose. I don't know if this is gonna help. Still loose. Didn't make a difference. Now my next idea is I'm gonna have to hit it hard with a screwdriver in these spots. Alright, so the first try with the cap didn't work. So next try, I'm gonna try with this. Nah, I just put a hole in it, that's all. Which is no good. So I'm gonna have to do, I'll have to get another one anyway, but yeah, so all I'm doing is putting holes in it. So instead of that, let's see. Not really. See, this is the one thing nobody got. One more idea. There's that. This guy keeps putting holes in it, but got little dimples sticking out. Okay. It actually is coming through, so one more. Okay. So what I did was I kind of made dimples so you could see. Now it's hard to put on. This is going to look like a success. Okay, now I can't get it on. Now let's put this. Perfect. And now it's tight. So if the next one I buy is loose because I don't like that hole there, I may just put a dab of silicone or something there. I may buy another one, but now it's tight, it doesn't move, and I shouldn't lose it. Well, if you have a loose cap, that's how to fix it.